Hi everybody, this is day 24 of speaking in English, and today I have achieved a great milestone for myself because today I ran 10 kilometers. This was the first two-digit run which I have done, and this is a raw video just to practice my English. And this is 24 days. From last 23 days I am continuing daily posting these 3-minute shorts so that I'll be able to improve my spoken English. And there is no topic on this. And currently I'm in Jodhpur. The weather is quite cold, not so cold, it is moderate. The temperature would be around 20 degrees, but in the other parts of India and in northern India the temperature is below 10 degrees. So it is a good point that I am able to run and in this weather, and the weather is also supportive. So initially I thought that I'll go for only 5 kilometers, but after some time I thought that why don't try 10, because the maximum kilometers which I have run till now is 7 kilometers, and this was the 10. And I have used Strava app because it was just telling me after each kilometer that you have completed this kilometers, and I just went straight into the city till a Bombay Circle which is there, and it is 5 kilometers from here. Then when I have reached, I realized that I have come too far, but then there was no option left for me. I have to come by running only. So I just came there, slowed down, and my aim was just to complete, and there was no time limit. Although I completed this in 1 hour 3 minutes, that is a okay time. That is not average also, it is less time, but the 10 kilometers milestone is a very good thing for me which I have done. And on weekends I'll be trying to repeat this. And today is Saturday and the time is 7:16, and now I'll be going for the pull-up bar. I have started doing pull-ups, and the number of pull-ups which I'm doing is only 5 because I was not able to do. And today I think that I'll not be able to do 3 because I'm completely drained up. And now I'll go and have good food, clean food, and I'll also try to cut sugar, because the sugar is the main enemy of your body, which stops you, which inhibits you, which drains your body's energy, and you are not able to build up your all this stamina, good physique. So yesterday also I ate cake because there was anniversary of my friend, but I'll just cut that thing from and I'll be taking proteins, which is necessary. Na? After you run for 10 kilometers, then you just came by. My body also should also have good food. So this was all from today, and meet you tomorrow in the morning or whatever. Bye.